Hey, beautiful family. Hope you're good. Let's get started. So, first and foremost, before we get started, let's just get started straight away, man. No time to waste right now. Okay. So let's say here calculating the consumer surplus. Okay. You have Sometimes they ask for consumer surplus. If not a consumer surplus, they can ask the other way. But let's focus on the consumer surplus right now. Okay. This is easy. But so they give us function here. They say P. But they give us the value of P equal to that. But look, family, before we get started, right? Please, man, come here, show your boy some loves here, okay? If you FaceTime and never be here, make sure you come right here and subscribe. Just click that and subscribe. See, so you know when I miss the notification. Now let's get started. So now let's say here the value of P we got. We have the value of P here. So I'm gonna plug my P and get the value of P, and then I'll show you how to get consumer surplus. Very easy. So I'm gonna say, okay, plug my P equal to 5. So I'll say 5 equal. So we got 25. And then over Q plus 2. So the next thing, Q plus 2, man, my handwriting sometimes it can be very nasty. I don't like that. Okay. Okay, cool. So plus 2, Q plus 2. So this I can say over 1, and then we can cross multiplication if you want. And then we can say cross multiplication, so it's going to be 5 times, so it's going to be 5 bracket Q plus 2 equal to 1 times 25 equal 25. So we want to get the value of Q. So I can divide by 5 throughout, this and this cancel. So Q plus 2 equal to 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. Take over. When you go over, it's going to become minus, so Q equal to 3. Q 3. So now we know the value of Q. After getting the value of Q, now to get a consumer surplus is very easy. Consumer surplus is very easy. Let me show you how we can get. So Q equal to 3, we know. You need to show all your solution exam, okay? So to get consumer surplus, we use a little formula here. The little formula is a consumer surplus equal to integral 0 to Q, which you know equal to 3. And then here we're going to write our function given, which is 25 over Q plus 2. And then here must be what? D of Q. And then we minus multiply P times Q. P times Q. To capital Q. So after that now, it's easy. What we're going to do integration. Now look, let me show you something. Whenever you give an integral of, let's say, 1 over anything, let's say fx, any function, let's say x, dx. So what you do, mathematical, let's say 2x, let's say. So what you do, you say 1 over, and then differentiate this. When you differentiate 2x, you're going to get 2, and then you're going to say ln of everything which is in here. That's how you, and then whenever there's a ln, it must be absolute. That's how you integrate this, and this integral disappear. One more time, one more example for some people who don't know how to integrate. If somebody give you integral, let me say it like this, 1 over function dx. But this function must be, let's say this. Let's say x. So this let me say ln of this number here. That's so easy like that. See, so for that case now, for this case now, it's very easy. So we're gonna play the same game here. So I'm gonna say consumer surplus, our consumer surplus equal, oh yes. Now 0 to Q, what is a Q equal to 3? So it's equal to 3, and then we have 25. So 25 we can simply go behind because 25 is just a number, it's a constant. So it's not going to be affected by this integration. So this 25, let's put it aside. Consumer surplus equal 25, right behind, and the integral of 1 Q plus 2. And then our D, Q minus P times Q. What is our P? Our P equal to 5, which they gave you 5, times Q. What is a Q? Q we say equal to 3. We got it. We just got it. Okay, we just got all the value of Q. So 5 times 3, which is equal to 15. So now this one here is going to be consumer surplus equal to, and our limit start from 0 always to that number, which is Q we got, which it was what it was equal to 3. So what we're going to do, just like I say, oh, I forgot my 25, my God. Okay. So 25 is just 25. And now this is the integral of 1 over something, which is going to be ln. Man, I write very close. I don't like to write things close. Okay. Consumer surplus equal to, we have our 25, and this when you integrate this is going to be ln because 1 over something, so it's going to be ln, just like I say. And then write your absolute, and then write this Q plus 2 absolute, and then minus 15. But do not forget your limit. Do not forget your limit. So we're going to say our limit here, because this is the only thing which affected by limit. It starts from 0 to 3, because 0 to cubic 3. So what we can do, we can plug it in. How we plug in? We plug always upper limit minus lower limit. So I'm going to say consumer surplus equal to 25, just a 25. So I can write simply this 25 aside out, because it's not going to be affected. And then let's go. Plug this is a Q, right? Plug in the position of Q face, because we say upper limit minus lower limit. Let me start with the upper limit. Excuse me. What is the upper limit? 3. So I'm going to plug in a position of Q. So it's going to be, we have a long face, okay? 25, it went out, so I'm dealing with this. So it's going to be ln of 5 plus 2. No, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5, okay? And then we do the same thing, but, okay. Take the 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So it's going to be ln of 5. And then minus ln. Now we plug lower limit. If you plug 0 here, it's going to be 0 plus 2 equals 2. 2. So it's going to be ln of 2. Okay. Minus 15. So now then come, and then you're going to say consumer surplus equal to, plug this in the calculator. If you plug in the calculator, let me show you how to plug in the calculator, so you know, like you know, it's free for you. And so, man, how did I trying to plug in this? I didn't even understand. Come on, put it again. Show you now. So we're going to say 25, 25. Oh my God, sorry, my apologies. Sorry, beautiful family. You are my beautiful family. Okay, so we're going to say 25. Now let's start first ln of 5 minus ln of 2. So let's say ln of 5. Ln of 5 bracket minus ln of 2. Ln of 2. Man, 2, come on. Why you take time now? Okay, ln of 2. So if you want, you can put bracket and you can come and close before here and then put 25. Okay, close your bracket and then write 25 before you. And this is gonna give us, let's see, which number is gonna give? Multiply. Oh, so don't forget to minus the 15, right? Because there's a 15 minus 15 there. So minus 15, minus 15, that answer minus 15, or I could just plug in answer. 7.99. So the answer is going to be option 3. See what I'm saying? The option 3. Or if you want, you can just plug it slowly by slowly, but that's how we do it. So look, you know, just like I say, if you FaceTime here in the program, please, man, just come here. And this question comes from Louisiana. Like I said, a lot of students from Louisiana, Mississippi, same equation. So if you folk come from that side, Tennessee, you know, a lot of say, man, trying to keep them going, brother. I like the way how you represent Africa, and you know, you present Africa in a positive way, because all the time if I go to the YouTube or go to the website, you want to check, I'm not see the African brother. So you make me proud. I'm man, these are the brother come from Morocco. He said, let me read the message here, man. Hey Mutwana, you know what? I like how you do your video. I like it. You know, in Arab we say shukran. Man, thanks a lot, brother. He even tell me in Arab we say shukran. He from Morocco. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it, man. Shukran too. Shukran to you. Now let's read a quick another comments come from my beautiful sister come from KwaZulu Natal. Oh, so good. I'm trying to, you know, I appreciate, you know, what you do for me and for us. Yeah, me and my friends will use your video to learn. Oh, thanks a lot. Hey, this is so sweet. I love this. So look, man, like I say, if you FaceTime, come right here. Don't you just click the subscribe, and that's how you do. So stop here. So see you very soon in the next video. I'll see you soon, and peace and love. I'm out. See, oh no, I'm gonna show you something. Can't even come from Alabama, Lisa. So, let me just pull this aside. We're trying to look. Hey, man, let me read this message. You know, I like this. We're trying to look. I come from Louisiana, Mississippi, and also my mom is from Mississippi. You know, but we just moved to the Bay Area. You know, we like you so much. I'm trying to. You did great thing. This come from Shanika. This is say my name is Shanika. We are twin sister. You know, with my sister Shanice. Oh wow. Thanks a lot, man. I love it. You know, she come from Mississippi, but she, you know, she went to visit her grandmom in the Bay Area. And thanks a lot. You know, she went back to San Francisco. Thanks a lot, you know, appreciate for your time. And, you know, all the brother, sister, and my brother from Morocco too. Say, man, Botswana, like how you do. And my beautiful sister come from KwaZulu Natal. She said, Botswana, you know what? So what? I like what you're doing. Thanks a lot, for all brother, sister come from KwaZulu Natal, or if you come from Limpopo too. I'm here to represent you. Got your question? Send it to me. Peace and I'm out.